Bitcoin and the crypto market are going to go to $25 trillion. And actually, that's a low ball number. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Hope all is good with you. As you know, the crypto market is constantly changing and constantly improving and growing. You are a part of something bigger than yourselves, bigger than most people think and most people realize. This is bigger than electricity, bigger than any other invention that we've created in the past, because it redefines what wealth is, possession of your wealth is, and how you can manage it compared to how you manage your wealth in the past. Hope you're enjoying this new mic as well. I got this new mic, and hopefully my sound is a lot better. We will see. I want to see the comments section filled with yes, thumbs up with the mic, because I set this thing up just yesterday, and hopefully it will work very well. Okay, we're at the cusp of the beginning of entering a big bull market in the future, fueled by massive people coming in and buying crypto, buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, and you are early. And you could say, well, I can't afford Bitcoin. I can't afford Ethereum. It costs too much money. You can afford a few dollars a day, a few dollars a week, and get into crypto. You could do that and become wealthy in the coming future. Or you could just wait for me to show off my t-shirt, my told you so t-shirt. The future is totally up to you. All right. So with that said, we can go over what Cathie Woods predicts the $25 trillion crypto market valuation by 2030, fueled by institutional bidding report. Okay, so institutional's market is, most of it will not be owning actual crypto. They'll be owning derivatives of crypto. But the rest, the small percentage that will be smart enough to join in on a crypto flood of money, they will pump the market heavily to this 25 trillion. Now, it'd be a lot worse if the banking system did not get involved with Bitcoin, of course, and with the ETFs and all that kind of stuff, because 100% chance that this is going to be manipulated and managed down the price. So they can only manage it so far, because there are smart people who will not buy derivatives. But the majority people and majority institutional players will own just derivatives. And why is that? Why is most institutions will hold just derivatives? Well, the same reason why that Apple owns treasury notes and not some other bonds, junk bonds, or another type of bonds, or any kind of asset like such as gold, Bitcoin, or anything else, because they're told to do so. So with that said, right, there will be certain or they're forced to do so. They're in a corner, they're in a box where they have to do it this way, or there's negative consequences because of somebody who has higher power than they do. So there's always that. So there will be a percentage of the population in like, whether they're in retirement funds and stuff like that, even though you could say, yeah, a lot of this money is going to come into crypto and they're going to miss out. Yeah, they'll come in, but they'll come into derivatives. Okay, so we're going to be talking about the charts now. If you're interested in trading, you can trade at 2bit.davincij15.com, bybit.davincij15.com, or okx.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Check that out. Sign up right now to purchase some crypto. And even if you don't want to purchase crypto now, just go and sign up and do me a favor and just do that. Sign up to one of those exchanges today, and I really appreciate it. Okay, Bitcoin is doing exactly what I think it's doing. It's going to probably break down, and the maximum it's probably going to do is the top of this red line here, which is at 28.5 or 28.6, $28,600. or we're going to probably just come up to the 61.8. There is a little bit of a W here, so I could probably see a slight breakout there to the upside, but with not much follow through. You can see that if we were to take this, if this W were to execute, you can see that the 61.8 is the target there at $27,678. That is a target for Bitcoin and where you would trade this in the short term. So this is a short-term trade. If you're interested in knowing how to trade this properly, you would break it. You would trade this by taking a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio here. Boom. Let's go to 2-to-1. Or first it's set it to 1-to-1 right there. 1-to-1, and then reduce this so that it's an actual 2-to-1. So once it breaks out, this is your stop loss right here at 150. So 27,150 is your stop loss, and your take profits target is 27,662. So there it is. That would be your trade for a short-term trade for today. Once if it broke out above this level here of the target level, the entry level, actually not the target, entry of 27,324 or $25 actually. So there it is. That's your trade for Bitcoin. Looking at Ethereum, that does not look good, right? So Ethereum is indicating clearly that we're going to continue to probably break down all the way down to the lows, to the $1,000 level. Certainly looks that way on the weekly and the daily. Looking at the shorter time frame, right? For Ethereum, you can see that that's the same kind of case applies for Ethereum. Let's just test that theory here. So let's just say, maybe not. There is not a clear indication that it's going to break higher with Ethereum. So we just have to sit on our hands and see what happens. You could say that this is a little bit of a W here, which I guess you could say that's the case, but I would wait for this to actually give us more indication before you continue to make a trade. And there's not enough indication for direction. But overall, Ethereum will end up back at the 16 or $1,650 level by the next little while, and the next probably if not by the end of the week, probably by next week, early next week. Okay, so that will be all for today. Make sure that you own some Bitcoin, some Ethereum. And there's a lot of other cryptos out there that will do well in the short term, but you can't hold on to them forever. The only ones I can say forever that will be around forever is Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rest, right? Who knows? It is really difficult to say. The rest are just a big gamble. The next gamble would be, if you're interested in just gambling, I think Shiba Inu is a good gamble on a short-term basis, meaning not on forever basis, meaning that it will last a long time and do well for a long time, but it's not going to be the coin of the future, most likely. All right. So with that said, thank you all for watching. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.